Let's take a look at these markets. Thank you. On this Friday, of course, the markets were closed yesterday for the Juneteenth celebration. The Dow up 150 points, S&P and NASDAQ also up. All the markets up about 1/3%. Guess what? We have Ray Wang. He's joining us now. Ray, great to see you. What happens to big tech if America attacks Iran? Because to me, it seems like that particular sector is probably the most shielded from what's going on in the Middle East.
Happy Friday, and you're definitely right. I think what's going to happen is probably very little, because investors are actually looking to big tech as a place to actually shield their, actually as a safe haven, actually more than anything else. That, along with crypto, is kind of going to be the place where we'll see that. And so we're basically looking at, the AI revolution is going to continue. You're going to see a lot of investments continue in that space, and I think that's going to be out and over here. It's less it's less of a risk factor, as you'd see.
Yeah. I was recently in Austin, Ray, and I was absolutely stunned by the number of people using Waymo driverless taxis. It's very odd. You're sitting at the light, you look across, there's like an empty front seat, and then the car takes off. Tell me about Tesla's robotaxi launch, I believe also in Austin, right?
Yeah, the launch is happening this Sunday. It's gone to a select group of individuals.
Yep.
These are folks that are Tesla fans. They've gotten the invite. And basically, it's between 6 a.m. and midnight in Austin. Only the rider can actually download the app. It's going to be supervised. I think that's what people are a little bit afraid, that they're surprised about. They weren't expecting someone to be there. But you're right. Waymos are everywhere in San Francisco. A year ago, people would stop, take pictures. Now it's just commonplace. And in fact, it's expanding everywhere.
Funny enough, I stopped and took pictures because I have not been exposed to that. So I follow the crowd. By the way, Ray, you say Accenture is the bellwether of tech services. Is that right?
It definitely is. Accenture is the leader in the services space in terms of IT services, and everybody looks to them as, for guidance as to where the market's heading. Their forecast and in terms of their bookings were actually lower than expected, which is why their stock is down at the moment.
Very good. Ray, thank you. And guess what? We're lucky. We have you for the entire hour. So we do appreciate that, and we'll be coming back to you.